Story 30. Cooking with Grandma. Grandma asked me to help her prepare some food. When the food was ready, Grandma said, "Let's go to visit Mrs. Brown." "But what will we do with the food we just made?" I asked. "Mrs. Brown broke her arm last week," said Grandma. "This food is for her." When we brought Mrs. Brown the food, she was so happy. It felt good to do something nice for someone else.
Get well soon.